here?
Guess
Bully.
you're not addicted to breathing, huh?
What would you call a yard in the metric system? He's M11! Read that! Crush him! That's the stuff!
Call me Hopkins.
That's all
Jimmy
you got.
Hopkins.
Value.
Hi, wanna be friends?
What's up, man? How's it going? You okay?
Hi. I just want to graduate.
Got something for you, punk.
Anyways, bye.
I'm like,
Perhaps a strong help your fellow Bullworth Academy. I hear you're mechanically apt, but I'm not sure I believe it. Care to prove me wrong?
You can do your
I
best.
hate you.
I just remembered. Thanks for the archives.
You got nothing, friend.
What's going on here? I really need some...
Good morning, class. Are we all ready to cut something open today? No, no! Gently, carefully. Patience, Hopkins. You can't rush science.
Oh, so that's where Edna's meatloaf comes from.
No, no! Gently, carefully. Patience, Hopkins. You can't rush science. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. That went rather well. You have a steady hand for a ruffian.
Like that! Another good deed done.
Do homework. I'm really sorry about that.
So you know what else? I think summer break should be like 5 months long.
Well, you can be a jerk sometimes.
Yo, I'm gonna show you how a man fights his battles.
I can't believe my
I'll
mom
teach you
won't
what
let
it me
me
means to
have
be
sugar.
perfect. If I didn't have a sprained wrist, you'd already be dead.
Back off, idiot. Have a nice day, sucker.
You're pathetic.
Leave
I'm
me
gonna
alone.
get you.
Leave
If
me
my blood
alone.
sugar
Leave
wasn't
me
so low,
alone.
you'd be hospitalized right now.
You're not allowed, and I'm telling you. I like you, Jimmy. Does my breath stink? I hope my breath doesn't stink.
Come on, help me out here, please. I want to be cinematographer. Okay.
Yeah, all right,
Now,
let's
all
do
we
it.
gotta do is get back to the library.
I wonder what everyone is talking about this week.
That's it. I've had it.
I have to
need
go
a
call
plan.
my mom.
Goal.
Bye.
Something to work towards. Ooh,
I don't know why more
you're
people
really
don't
gonna
love
get it
Cyberpunk.
now. I'm coming after you.
Moving along,
That was
punk,
an
before I
amazing
get
book.
upset.
Love, action, drama, everything. Ooh, I'm so angry.
Jimmy.
I wish someone would cause some trouble.
You're such a new
Just
head.
educate
That's
yourself.
it. I've had it.
Did the
I
army
have to
receive
go
my
practice.
application?
Bye.
I just don't understand the minds of
Mom,
troublemakers.
does.
I need like snack breaks and
I hope the police got my application.
I don't know why more
I
people
wonder,
don't
did
love
the army
Cyberpunk.
receive my application?
Now then, is everyone here? Excellent! Let's proceed. Excellent at banging out the rhythm, Jimmy.
I should give lessons.
So shallow, you know? All about appearances, but
Don't be back inside.
Library fines are unfair. $20 is a lot of money.
I really love art class. Oh, really? That's pretty wild.
Eat it.
Hey, settle down there.
Ready to go to sleep?
You're also
Please.
You finished?
There you are. Come on, I found something incredible.
Hold on, relax, man. I can't keep getting in trouble. I can't get expelled again.
It's always about me with you. Me. I'm thinking bigger picture, and you're worrying about getting into trouble? You know what? You really are something.
What bigger picture?
We are gonna take over this school.
We are not taking over anything right now.
Time and tide wait for no man, my friend. But it seems they do wait for a wannabe tough guy who's nothing but a little girl.
You're full of it.
So you keep telling me, look, now come on. I promise you, after this, things are never gonna be the same again. Oh, I'm so excited. I should have stopped taking those pills ages ago.
Yeah, right. Whatever you say, Gary.
I can't wait for someone to break a rule so I can beat them.
How you doing?
Hey, idiots! Jimmy's gonna kick your ass! Right, Jimmy? Come here, scum! You're pathetic!
Here we go.
I'm gonna make your life a misery! Come on, girlie, fight! You're gonna hate me forever!
We had hard out here.
Come on, girlie, fight!
Are you hurting yet? Having fun? We hit hard out here.
You're gonna hate me! We make a great team, Jimmy.
Fiddle.
Snails recently. They're slimy.
After you! This is a little different from how I remember it. You better lead the way.
Probably won't be.
Jimmy, over here! That cage wasn't locked before.
What's this do?
Not here. Follow me. We can't get in there. How can we get at the switch? Jimmy, over here! Now here's another switch I used to... Whoa, five wires! Looks like I'll have to hold this down to get the power while you climb through and get the switch. Almost there! Huh, a steam leak.
I'm just gonna collect
I know it's
this.
happening, but I've never seen one. Quick, before it heats up again. It's right down there. So, Jimmy boy, here we are, the hole. The place where this school separates the men from the boys, the wheat from the chaff, and all that nonsense.
Okay, so what's that got to do with standing up to people, keeping them in line?
This is where I stand up to you, my friend.
What are you talking about?
I know you hate me, Jimmy boy. I know you said all that stuff about me behind my back.
What are you talking about?
Don't play innocent with me. You want to run this school? I want to run this school. Only one of us is gonna make it. And it's gonna be me! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and morons, I give you Russell!
Oh, man.
Me, Russell.
Gary, now I hate you.
I know, Russell. Go beat that little jerk who said that nasty stuff to me about your mom and those barnyard animals.
What? Come here. Russell wants vengeance.
Watch it! Step back! Move! Take off! Have a nice trip! Kick his knees in! Move it! Beat it! Get out! Step back! Get off me! Lay off! Back the hell up! Scram! Get out of my... Look at those roots go! Come on, at least try. Are you gonna start? Get away from me! Out of my face! Have a nice trip!
Look how poor he is, huh?
You know you love it! I hope that...
You happy now, jerk?
Ecstatic! I love to watch two morons beat the crap out of each other.
Why'd you do it, Gary? I thought we were friends.
Friends? You and me. I've taken dumps that had more brains than you, friend. No. I'm taking over this school, and you're just a liability. See you around, moron!
Well done, Jimmy. Yeah, great. What a waste of time. You all right, Russell?
Yeah?
Look, I never said anything about your mom or farmyard animals.
You did it?
No, but I want you to stop bullying weak kids.
Why?
Because there are a bunch of kids around this place who need a beating, and you're picking on the few who don't. So I want you to leave me and him alone.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Bad Russell.